In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wix error code 10104 step by step. If you're trying to access your Wix dashboard, manage apps, or publish your site and you keep running into this error, don't worry. This is a fairly common Wix issue, and in most cases, it can be fixed in just a few minutes. I'll walk you through all the proven solutions, starting from the quickest fixes and moving to the more advanced checks. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss anything important. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website and software fixes. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you should always try when you see Wix error code 10104 is a simple refresh and retry. Sometimes this error is caused by a temporary loading issue or a short connection hiccup between your browser and Wix servers. Refresh the page, wait a few seconds, and then try accessing the dashboard or action again. In many cases, that alone can resolve the issue instantly. If refreshing doesn't work, move on to the next step, which is logging out of your Wix account and logging back in. To do this, sign out completely from Wix, close your browser tab, then open a new tab and sign back in. This helps reset your session and clears temporary authentication problems that can trigger error 10104. Once you're logged back in, try accessing the same page again and see if the error is gone. Next, you'll want to check your internet connection. Wix error code 10104 can appear if your connection is unstable or temporarily drops while Wix is loading data. Make sure you're connected to a reliable network. If possible, switch from Wi-Fi to a wired connection or restart your router. You can also try loading a few other websites to confirm that your internet is working properly before returning to Wix. If your connection looks fine and the error still appears, the next thing to try is opening Wix in an Incognito window or using a different browser altogether. Browser extensions, cached data, or corrupted cookies can sometimes interfere with Wix. Open an incognito or private window and log into Wix there, or try a different browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. This helps rule out browser-specific issues quickly. Another important step is to republish your site. Even if you haven't made recent changes, republishing can help sync your site data with Wix servers. Go to your Wix editor, click Publish, and wait for the process to complete. After publishing, return to the dashboard or page where you saw error code 10104 and check if it's resolved. If you're still having issues, take a closer look at your internet stability. Even if your connection seems fast, brief drops or high latency can cause Wix actions to fail. Try disconnecting other devices from your network, pause large downloads, or test your connection speed. A stable connection is especially important when managing apps or publishing changes on Wix. Finally, check the Wix system status. Sometimes the issue isn't on your end at all. Wix may be experiencing temporary outages or maintenance that can cause error code 10104 to appear. Visit the Wix status page and look for any reported issues related to dashboards, publishing, or site management. If there is an active incident, the best solution is simply to wait until Wix resolves it. And that's it. By following these steps in order, you should be able to fix Wix error code 10104 and get back to managing your site without any problems. If this video helped you, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more Wix tutorials and quick software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.